Description: this stainless steel replacement taper blade can be used with FX870, FXF880 and FX810 clippers. Use it for a precise, clean cut. It's made from corrosion-resistant stainless steel and fits all 2-hole blade systems. Benefits: this taper blade features a crescent shape that supports a natural rocking, scooping motion for the perfect taper. Suggested use: when the blade on your BaBylissPRO FX870, FXF880 or FX810 is dull, change it out with this replacement blade. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect product. Exactly as original, perfect fit. This is a solid price for a really good product. Great quality and excellent price. I recommend buying.